Alright, Shifu family, welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you one of our mentee success call. And today we have Jamie. A little bit background about him. He was an international student, worked as a receptionist at a nail salon. He also picked up another job as a waiter at restaurants, putting in almost 12 hours every single day and barely making more than $100. So he found the program back in 2020. At that time, he was just stuck in his comfort zone. Wake up, going to work, trading time for money, and at the end of the day, get tired, go back home, study, and go to school and repeat the same cycle. And the reason why I'm putting this out there is that I want to motivate you. I want to inspire you to let you know that no matter what situation you are, no matter what skin color you are, what ethnicity you are, as long as you have the drive, the hunger for success, and as long as you're willing to seek out for help, seeking for the right guidance, and willing to put in the work and staying disciplined 1% every single day, you will eventually get to the finish line that all the people call success. Alright? So Jamie joined the program back in 2020, and his highlight is $21,000, $670 in sales in 18 days selling on Amazon FBA. We're going to be covering a list of 8 questions through our calls. And I want you to take a look on the left side, get familiar with the question before we're going to jump into the call. All right? Okay, awesome. So let's get started, okay? Are you excited with the questionnaire?
Yes, I'm.
All right,
Yes, I
Jamie.
do.
Yep, awesome. So what is the job that you had before starting selling online?
Receptionist at nail salon, waitress at the Vietnamese restaurant.
How was the jobs?
And,
Tired?
yeah, really tired. When we work for the nail salon, a lot of job you do, like everything you need to do, and truck go with the nail technician. A lot of things really stressful.
Yep, I see. How much money were you making as a nail tech and also like receptionist? Were you like doing 2-3 jobs at the same time or?
Actually, I don't do the 2 or 3 job, but one job I work about like 12 hours.
Wow, 12 hours a day?
And yeah, 12 hours a day, and when I go back really tired, but still, like study. I remember they paid for me about like $8
An hour.
per hour.
So about $100 something an hour as a receptionist at the nail salon.
Yes.
Man, that's a lot of work for 12 hours.
Yeah, a lot of work. Like not exactly the receptionist, and I need to like if really busy, and I need to help them like the band, the polish for the customer too, or try to help them to clean up the spa, medication too. Yeah, too much work.
Yeah. If you go back, would you go back or no?
No, for sure. I don't want to go back with that job.
Yeah, I see. And you mentioned you used to be an international student, right? And that is the only job available for you?
Yes.
I
At the
see.
moment, yeah.
I see. So how do you know about like selling online, selling on Amazon FBA?
Oh, actually, I know Justin from the Holly. Holly, like I just follow him. Holly, like photographer, and I just follow him. And one day when I watched his story, and I saw him show Justin's set from the Amazon. Actually, I really interesting about it. And I tried to inbox for the Justin one day. And I don't think he replied to me. And like some people like the mentor, or maybe they have a lot of students, or they have a lot of followers, and maybe they don't have time for reply back to me. But actually, he replied me about like.
Yeah, it was a lot of message. And
Yeah.
so I
He
was like
replied
going
me
down the
about-
list. Yeah. Like, what do you think about selling online back then? Because it wasn't like something that people usually do, especially in the Vietnamese community.
Oh, actually, before I think selling online. Actually, I always keep in mind selling online in Vietnam always like they call it a scam. not really real. Maybe it's really hard for make the money like when you sell offline, when you're selling offline. But actually, and Justin, when he showed me some his success about it, and okay, I didn't know that is different. So like different, like that make you more the money, the other basic income, and it's not wait too much time. Like you don't need to spend full time for working with the Amazon. And you just like the part. It's really hard. Maybe the beginning, like you need to learn, you need to set up about the account, and you need to do the product research. Maybe you spend a lot of time for the beginning, but after that, everything like you don't spend a lot of time for it.
Yep, that's
You
true.
know what you do already.
That's true. And how much do you make on your products? You invest about $4,000 in the beginning for the products, right?
Yes, the revenue about like 23,000.
23,000. Wow, almost like
Yeah.
5x.
It's about almost 2 months.
I
It's
see.
just like 500, and it's so wow.
How do you feel when you know that you make $23,000 and it's like not from like a manual labor work?
So actually, I never think I can, like evenly I talk or I see that amount in my life. That moment, I never, like I never imagined or thinking about it.
Yeah.
And actually, I told my mom, okay, exactly, I make 23,000. Like that real. That's real. That is actually real. I make it. It's so proud too, and actually really happy too. Like when you put yourself, you work really hard for something and try to build up, and you see it's successful. It's really happy.
Yeah.
I remember when I saw sell a lot a day, I cannot sleep. Yeah, I cannot sleep. I just thinking about it. I just thinking, oh man, I cannot sleep. Because I think if I sleep, like that, it's just like it's real. But no, that's real. That's real.
Yeah.
It's only 21. That
Oh.
is December. But about like before Christmas, that is hit 23.
Oh, nice. $21,000 in last 30 days.
Yes.
Awesome. So how do you feel when you like knowing that you're making that money as an international student?
I don't think that's real, but actually really happy about it,
You remember the moment you hit $1,000 a day?
Every single time, like when I have a new friend and they ask me about, okay, what I did in the US, I always, like tell them, okay, I did a Amazon like that, and I'm really successful. I never forget that moment. Every single time, every single day, I still remember how I did on Amazon.
Yeah. So when you tell your mom, what was her reaction? Did she believe in you? Did she believe
She
you?
didn't trust me. She didn't trust me, But when I show exactly the screenshot about the Amazon, and she said that's real, I said yes, that's real. Because she saw on my face, it's really happy, and she know that's real already. Cause actually she saw me every single time, like when I do the FBA, and packaging the box and ship it out. Everything I do on my hand. Yeah, I do everything on my hand or take care of everything. So she knows exactly I bring all my heart for this business. And actually, I did stuff for get it, to set it.
Yep. I remember because you're one of the mentee that are really like put in a lot of hard work, and I can see that the result has been speaking for itself, and that's why I'm super happy to be a part of your journey. And so how long did it take you to find your products?
2 or 3 months.
2 or 3 months.
Exactly 2 or 3 months.
Yep, I remember because you were telling me that you don't have enough cash for the inventory, and also as an international student, you don't have like the paperwork to start selling online. And that's when I'm like, how can I help, you know? And that's when I kind of think about the other mentee that I have and connect you with her. And that's how I make things happen, you know? And I feel like in every success journey, there are always like two partner. You have the vision, you know? You have the vision, you're also an executor, and you just need the right financial support to make it really happen, you know? Yep. So, was the process of launching the product easy for you?
Yes, very easy.
So let's say if there are someone that is considering to like selling online and they're kind of afraid, how would you tell them? If you were to pick up your phone call and like talk to someone that is like wanting to sell online but still thinking that it is a scam, what would you tell them?
Tell them what I did before and what I did right now. Can do it. You can do it too.
Thank you everyone for staying all the way to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video and would love to keep up to date with all the information from Amazon, feel free to subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you want to learn or what you want to see for the next video. And we also have a free training that shows you how you can make money with Amazon and mistake that new seller make. So check the description box below and we'll see you inside.